Hiya. Done a little bit more while you've been away there. I was just uploading this first video and I'm almost done. If you can see it there. There you are. I'm just going to do a few more bits and pieces. I've not got my watercolour brushes or watercolour paper or anything, so it's behaving a bit differently from usual, but it just means that it's a bit more fluid maybe than it would normally be, which is fine. And I've set myself up at the mirror there on the chair, so I'm able to see my eye and see the paper by only moving my eyes. Just gonna do a little bit more and then off to yoga with me. Okay, so I thought I'd branch out a little bit, and while I'm waiting on the parts in the eye to dry, I thought I would just bring some colour into the forehead and below the eye here, maybe along the bridge of the nose, along the side of the nose I should say, and maybe here too. And then there's a kind of purple coming up. Maybe occupies a bit more space, that purple. And the light that's sitting on the upper surface of the lower lid is probably one of the brightest parts of the image. That along with the catch light in the eye itself. So I want to emphasize the light that's on this shelf of the lower lid by painting the shadow up to meet it. There's a fair few shadows today. One of those eyes. I didn't really sleep very well last night actually. Didn't sleep for that long anyway. But it was quite nice. I got up early and sat here in the morning, did a short meditation out here. It's quite good getting that kind of thing out of the way before the girls go to school and things. Okay. Maybe bring you a bit closer. There you go. I'm aiming to be a bit more professional in my approach, as you can see. Now, what else needs to be done there now? I could probably do with doing a bit more detail in there, but I can't really do it while the painting is still wet. So I'm just going to put a touch more onto the eyebrow with some burnt sienna and Prussian blue. It's maybe too dark, so let's see. Yeah, to get the second angle of the eyebrow, because this kind of explains the side plane of the face, you know, you get both directions of the eyebrow. Yeah, I could maybe bring a little bit more colour into there. Not sure what colour. Maybe that one. Don't know why it feels like I could do with a bit of blue there. And I think I'm going to stop now. And we're going to be doing yin yoga tonight, so I've got to get myself a cushion and a blanket. I love yin yoga. It feels like it's